Welcome back. I am Olivia with Olivia's Romantic Home, and in today's video, I am so excited to share with you guys some DIY Dollar Tree spring decor crafts. So I love to share with y'all how you can make your homes boutique gorgeous on a budget. I truly believe you do not have to break the bank to have a fabulous, amazing home. It's a gorgeous spring day here, so I hope you guys are looking forward to the future with so much joy. Now don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and punch the bell. Click all. That will update you every single time I post a new video. Also follow me on Olivia's Romantic Home Facebook page. And without further ado, let's go ahead and plug in those glue guns. Get out your glitter and paint and let's get to crafting.
First Dollar Tree DIY, I want to show you guys how to make a super adorable little garden gate planter. So from the Dollar Tree, you're going to grab 2 of their garden gates and just trim off the little side pieces and the little bottom pieces. And you're going to want to use some pretty heavy duty scissors to do that. The next thing you want to do is take some zip ties and just zip tie your little 2 garden pieces together. And you should be able to find these no problem. Our Dollar Tree has been putting out all of the fun spring garden stuff, you guys. I'm so excited for some spring dreaming. The next thing I wanted to do was to kind of customize it to make it a little bit more kind of French country, which is the style that I love at my home. So I'm taking this flat Rust-Oleum 2X spray paint and I spray painted my little plastic garden gates, and now I'm also going to spray paint these little Dollar Tree buckets to match my little garden gate. This is such a fun one to do. Okay, the next thing you want to do is just go ahead and add some hot glue into your little planters, because we are going to use some of those ferns that I just shared with you guys in my latest Dollar Tree haul. I also took a crafting tool and poked holes on either side of these little buckets, and then I'm just going to zip tie the buckets to the little garden gate. And you can also use floral wire, but I have been really crushing on zip ties lately. They're just such a great, awesome hole, and you can get a pretty big pack of them for not too much. So then once you have that accomplished, you guys can really pretty much find any little garden goodie that you want to plant into your planter. Now, these are those Dollar Tree ferns that I shared with you guys. In my last video, I did a Dollar Tree haul with spring goodies, and they come about 5 to 6 to a pack, and I'm pretty impressed with them as far as their quality is concerned. They do look a little bit shiny, of course. They're not totally real looking, but I thought that they were really nice, and you can mix them in to some other style of floral arrangements or whatnot. So you guys are going to have to comment down below and let me know what you guys think about them if you happen to find them in your store. Now, these were not in the spring section, but they were in the regular, like, crafting floral section, at least in my store. I know some stores put things in different places. The next thing I wanted to do to give it a little bit more of a French country feel was to just distress it with some sandpaper. And I'm just going to lightly distress the little wording on the front and then along the base. Now, that's totally up to you. And you guys could even leave the little iron gates or the little plastic gate black if you wanted to have it look more like an iron look. I also did add in some of that Excelsior moss to kind of fill in the gaps there, and boom, how super fun is this, you guys? This is such an amazing little project, and really we did this on a total budget, so $2-ish. I know it's going up to $1.25, but a couple of bucks for your gate and your planters, and you have such a fun little goodie. Fun and fabulous on a budget. For this Dollar Tree DIY, I want to share with you guys how you can take some of these cute little Dollar Tree signs. Now, I also shared these in my latest Dollar Tree haul, but these were in just the regular frame section. I went ahead and popped off the Dollar Tree wording. It was kind of like a flush brush wash type bathroom sign, which was super cute if I'm going to use this for the bathroom, but I have other plans for these signs. So what I want to do is I cut some little floral prints, and these are kind of reminiscent to me of like the Mackenzie Childs florals. If you guys love Mackenzie Childs pattern, you're going to love the black and white check with the florals mixed in. I think it's so fun and beautiful. So this was kind of my take on some of their spring decor. So maybe kind of like a Mackenzie Childs dupes. Anyway, I'm just taking my little Hobby Lobby paper and I'm going to hot glue it to the front of these little pictures. And this is a fun idea for any little pictures that you find at Dollar Tree that you might want to change up a bit. Now, I also shared this in my Dollar Tree haul haul was these lovely little iron hooks. Now I'm just going to hot glue them to the front of this because I'm going to use it for hair ponies. But if you're going to use it for something that you need a sturdier hold to, I suggest you use like a bonding glue, like maybe E6000 glue, and also use maybe a little bit of a sturdier bonding glue with your paper. But I thought these would be super fun to just add to the front of these. I love these iron style hooks. I think Dollar Tree really killed it on these. I think they look so high end, like something you would see at Hobby Lobby or TJ Maxx for definitely a much more than $1. And these are going to be such a fun little decor piece. I also think they would be nice for hanging jewelry or bracelets or really anything that's fairly lightweight because oh, and I just thought about this, but you guys could always, add maybe something a little bit more secure to the back. But here is how they turned out. I think these are so adorable. And you can see I hung my little scrunchie band that I had in my hair earlier in this video. My daughter encouraged me to get it. I was so excited because I thought it looked really cute, like the little scrunchie with the scarf hanging down. Kind of reminds me maybe of 50s, 60s. I'm not sure when that was a style with like the little kerchief kind of around the ponytail. You guys are gonna have to let me know. If you know, you know. So anyway, pretty fun and fabulous little idea on a budget. Now for this next Dollar Tree DIY, I want to share with you how to make a beautiful kind of little romantic style lantern. I found these wonderful little 5x7 frames, and what I want to do is I want to remove everything from the frame and then even remove the little clips. Now you remove the little clips that hold the glass in. You want to remove them and go inward when you pull them out. Don't try to pull them out straight the opposite direction or it will break that frame. I have learned that so many times with the Dollar Tree frames. They're really fragile and can break really easy. I did replace the glass back into the frames by hot gluing the glass back in, and you can always use like a little bit of super glue as well. And now I'm just going to glue them all together, and that's going to create my little glass lantern, which I think these are amazing for centerpieces or table toppers. And you might want to use a bonding glue like E6000 if you're going to be hosting an event so your little frames don't pop off or pop apart. For this project in just my home, I think it's fine because it's not going to be moved around or transported, but I highly suggest that because these are fairly delicate. The next thing I did was take one of those Dollar Tree garden knee pads and I hot glued that to the top of this, kind of like using a piece of foam because I want to create a beautiful floral, which I thought was so fun. I know there's going to be so many bridal and Easter centerpieces that are going to be made this season. So I thought this was just a really fun idea for you guys to recreate. And then you can put whatever you want down below in your little glass lantern. So you could put some beautiful candles. You could put a loved one's picture in there, a little figurine, just really whatever floats your boat. You guys can get so creative with things and just really have fun with it. And then I'm also using some of kind of the leftover greenery here to cover in and around the edges of where you can see the little foam knee pad. And the little foam knee pad is one of the gardener pads. So it's going to be in your spring gardening section. And so I think it looks so pretty kind of trickling down. I feel like this is such a beautiful romantic floral, like something you would see in just a romantic area garden. I want it to feel like it's like a little secret garden, spring garden type feel. So I hope you guys are inspired by this to create a beautiful lantern of your own. And again, I did just pop a couple little candles in here. I bought the little heart-shaped candle with the romance, and then the other little candle was just so precious and sweet. And there you guys have that. So super fun and fabulous on a total budget, and just very romantic and precious, and I feel like kind of high end by leaving that glass in. You don't necessarily have to do that. And again, I do suggest using kind of a bonding glue if you want it to stay really good, like E6000 or super glue, but then also using the hot glue so you have that good temporary hold as well. So happy crafting on that one. Now for this Dollar Tree DIY, I want to share with you all how you can make a super cute little kind of like garden box that looks like wood but isn't quite wood, using some of these Dollar Tree faux wood signs. Okay, so I saw these in the Valentine's Day section, and today is actually Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day, my loves. I love you guys so much. But what we're going to do with these is we're going to take them apart because we're kind of done using them for Valentine's Day, and I just bought extra ones. And you can pop those little signs out, and then by adding some hot glue in and around this, I'm going to make it into like a stacked faux wooden kind of garden box feel. So I'm just going to pop these on here, hot glue them. Now, you always can use a bit of a bonding glue like E6000 glue or super glue if you need that for more of a permanent hold mixed in with your hot glue for that temporary hold. Now the next thing I want to do is add in some styrofoam, so I added a little dab of hot glue and popped some styrofoam into my little kind of wooden faux planter box, and now I'm going to use these pretty greenery pieces, and I'm just going to pop them in here to create a beautiful little green kind of floral box. And again, you guys can use pretty much any florals or greenery. I found these last season at Dollar Tree, and I think they're so pretty. I've actually reused them in so many different goodies and things that I've shared with you guys. So I do have a $100 Hobby Lobby gift card giveaway going on, and I would love for you guys to participate in that. And all you have to do to participate in my little Hobby Lobby gift card giveaway is to subscribe or follow my social medias and to answer the secret question. So my secret question for this video is, what is your favorite spring plant? So when you look forward to spring and you're doing some spring dreaming, what do you guys like to garden or plant? And do you like to plant flowers and greenery, or do you like to plant veggies? I would love to hear what you guys are up to for this upcoming bit of spring and how you're doing some spring dreaming. I get so many ideas from everyone on this channel. I have so many creative folks here, and I know even by commenting what your favorite spring flowers are, that might inspire and bless others. I have beautiful irises that come up in my front yard, and I love to plant roses. So here is how the cute little garden box turned out. I thought it was super cute and just an easy way to build like a little faux wooden garden box. And I mean, you see these at the Target dollar spot or TJ Maxx, and they can be $10-15 if you see something like this with the greenery at TJ Maxx. So we made this on a cute little budget. So I hope this inspires you guys, and you guys can also look for the little Dollar Tree crates.
So thank you all so much for joining me on another fun and fabulous crafting and decorating adventure. It's a true blessing and honor to have you all here. If you all are new, welcome. I'm Olivia with Olivia's Romantic Home. I'm a DIY crafty mama. I'm also a seasonal decor enthusiast. I love to share with y'all how you can make your homes boutique gorgeous on a budget, and I truly believe you don't have to break the bank to have a fabulous, amazing home. Now, I have been on YouTube now for 6 years, if you guys can believe it, and I have all of my videos kind of organized into playlists of seasonal decor. So you guys can click on the I Love Spring playlist. You can click on the I Love Fall, Christmas, whatever season you like to decorate for. I also have just some home decorating and even some tidying up from back in the day and organizing, which I don't feel like I'm super great at doing those videos. I really love to craft and decorate more. But anyway, you guys can binge watch any of those playlists and get so inspired to craft and decorate. And I do everything on a budget using Dollar Tree, thrift store, and some Hobby Lobby or TJ Maxx goodies. So thank you guys so much for being here. Listen, we have a whole new season of joy to look forward to because it's spring, and I want to be able to encourage you guys and bring you guys joy into your home. And so many of you guys comment and say that I do. So thank you guys for those comments, because listen, it's just me, you guys, in this camera. There's no stylist, there's no makeup artist, there's nobody going and buying crafting supplies or, any of that kind of fun stuff. I do all the editing, filming, and all of that stuff for all of my videos. So they're definitely never going to be perfect, and it's just going to be me and you guys. But I thank you guys for being here. I'm going to keep on crafting and decorating as long as I can and sharing my love of home decor and just, nourishing the spirit, because I know everybody is going through something. You know, we're all walking some type of journey. So no matter what you guys are going through, I just hope you guys keep going. And every time you open your eyes, it's going to be a new day of joy and loveliness. And even if you're going through hard things, God still gives you joy in the midst of sorrow. So I love y'all so much. That's going to be my little tidbit for the day. I'm going to hug all of your hearts so tight. I'm wishing you guys a gorgeous, fabulous, blessed day. And until our next video, be kind to yourselves, be kind to one another, and we'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye.